Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from tekkerreviews, back again with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing, testing and reviewing the Edison LED backpack. We're going to find out why I think this is one of the craziest bags you can get in today's market that would definitely get heads turning. But before we do that, as always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, then please hit that like and subscribe button to support your boy. I'd really appreciate that. We hit our goal of 25 likes on one of my previous videos, so thank you so much again guys for constantly supporting the channel. Let's set a goal of 30 likes before the next video upload, which I know you guys can easily smash. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So straight off the bat guys, the Edison LED backpack is basically a rucksack that contains an LED panel inside, which you can use to display one or multiple animations. The panel inside requires a power bank to be plugged in via micro USB cable in order to see the images and GIFs appear. However, when purchasing the backpack, a power bank is not included inside. So before you decide to get this item, just make sure you have a spare power bank lying around at home before purchasing your LED backpack. The animations can be configured by downloading the LED Space app, which you can get from the Google Play or Apple App Store. You can also use the default images that are preloaded, or even create some of your own animations. Finally, the backpack also contains inner and outer compartments with loads of space, which we'll be discussing later on throughout the video. In regards to the product breakdown, the device weighs roughly around 900 grams and has a height of 43 centimeters. The materials are made from Oxford and polyester, which looks and feels really good and is great for handling most weather conditions. On front, you have the 64 by 64 pixel LED panel, which is 25 centimeters long in height and width, which is used to display your LED animations. Towards the back, you have a zip compartment, as well as the adjustments for fitting your backpack. On top, you also have a handle to carry your bag, as well as a zipper which opens the LED backpack. Once opened, you have lots of space and multiple compartments available. Towards the front, you have a micro USB cable which connects to your power bank in order to power the LED pixels. You also have a compartment where you can place the power bank, as well as other items. On the side, you have two Velcro straps which you can use to open the bag further. Finally, towards the back, you have two additional compartments which you can use to store your laptop and other gadgets you own. In terms of packaging, unfortunately I no longer have the box as it was pretty much damaged as soon as it came, thanks to the notorious international shipping conditions our parcels go through. Plus, for some reason, the entire box was wrapped in sellotape, which I don't understand why for the life of me. So for now, we're going to skip this segment and move over to the next one. Inside the box, you get the Edison LED backpack, as well as instructions on how to set up your device. The setup process is pretty straightforward. Start by downloading the LED Space app from the Google Play or Apple App Store. While the app is downloading, connect your power bank to the Edison LED backpack. Once the app is downloaded, you should then be prompted with a connectivity method. At this point, select Wi-Fi and then hit Find Device. From here, the device should then appear. Connect to the LED backpack, and once done, you should be good to go from here. The LED Space app is very easy to navigate through. Once the app loads, you are presented with the home page, which provides you with a list of default animations that you can send to your LED backpack by simply clicking on the animation. As you scroll down, you have the creative tools, which gives you a bunch of features such as sending free text to your LED backpack, as well as an image tool, which lets you upload images directly from your gallery. You also have the GIF tool, which lets you upload GIFs that are 64 by 64, as well as a graphic combination tool, graffiti which lets you upload freehand drawings, and finally the library section which lets you upload preloaded designs to the Edison LED backpack. The program list tab shows a list of images and GIFs that are currently loaded onto your LED backpack. You also have a remote control tab which is currently not supported for some reason, and finally the setup tab which provides you with information such as firmware version, brightness control, connection information, amongst others as well. Now for some testing. If I'm being completely honest here guys, I really wanted to wear this bag during the busy rush hours in central London to see what sort of reaction the bag will get from people and to see how well it does, but given the current situation of the world right now, I think it's best if we leave this test for later on once things start to get a little better. However, I was curious to find out to see how long the LED lights will last until the power bank was completely flat. After connecting my Todemade 26,800 mAh power bank with full charge, while running a single animated GIF, the animation had lasted around 12 to 14 hours, which is pretty good. Unfortunately, I didn't get around to testing a still image or multiple animations. However, based on the test results of my first test, the still image would probably last around 15 hours, and multiple animations will depend on the length and cycle of the GIF itself. So, if I were to stick a number to it, I'll probably say around the 10 to 12 hour mark. Before we summarize, guys, if you found today's video helpful or just simply enjoyed watching it, please show your boy some love by hitting that like button below. Your likes really do help support the channel, and it really does mean a lot to me. Now, let's get back to the video. Overall, the Edison LED backpack is a product that definitely stands out in comparison to other bags on the market, and is a device that would most certainly get heads turning and people noticing. Even for marketing purposes, I can really see how handy this device can be, especially while walking through a busy city centre while promoting a brand or logo. It's a backpack that draws attention, so unless you prefer to stay low-key and out of the way, then this product will probably work best for you with the LED lights turned off. But if we're being real here, guys, the whole reason you would want to buy a product like this is mainly for attention purposes. But that's not necessarily a bad thing. For people riding bikes, I can definitely see a usage here where the backpack can be used as indicators when turning left or right. Furthermore, if you're looking to spread a message, be it personal or political, then you can definitely guarantee that this product will draw eyes to your message for sure. In addition to the LEDs, you also get a super handy app that provides you with loads of customization options and features, as well as a variety of compartments and space, which is included with the Edison LED backpack. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Edison LED backpack from AliExpress for around £83, which includes tax and shipping, and you can find the link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me, guys. Is this something that you would wear? And is the Edison LED backpack a product that you would definitely purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekkerreviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.